You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American athlete, Olympic athlete. If you want to learn more confusing names of American champions, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got tons more coming up for you. Rai is how you pronounce his first name. Yes, I know. Could be Ray, but no. I guess because the spelling is not R-A-Y, it's R-A-I, which is why it's pronounced as Rai Benjamin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.